Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, the s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 1. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. The s we change for this one. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.